Daddy knows what squirrel the puppy is chasing.
Rápido. Más
Whoa.
rápido.
So
Más
cool.
rápido. Tico heard you and he's driving faster.
Please keep your friend's harness fastened at all times.
Good
Tracking the squirrels!
Has anyone seen a puppy? Or else we'll get all muddy. To tell Tico slow, we say despacio. Can you say despacio? Say
Hi, little guy. Do you want to play?
despacio. Now we can go through the muddy mud.